kasi ito yung once in a lifetime lang to na event sa buhay ko. So, syempre, kukunin mo yung pinakamagaling na, no, na gumagawa ng mga ganito. And yun, hindi ako nagkamali guys kasi sobrang ganda.
Syempre na-excite because I always watch him. I'm a fan of Kong. Syempre, para bang natuwa ako nung nalaman ko na para bang I'll be designing something for him.
Kung makikita nyo ngayon, ando dyan yung logo ng Team Payawan, which is napaka-significant na part ng buhay namin ni Vivis.
Ang una niyang request is gusto niya yung logo ng Team Mayaman. So, yun yung kailangan ko ilagay. Sabi ni Kong sa akin, Francis, just make it classic. But at the same time, you need to put that logo on the tuxedo. When I was talking to him, nakita ko yung humility niya. Nakita ko he's a real person. Nakita ko that he's just like us, one of us, na para bang hindi siya foreman. What you see is what you get. Diba? So yun yung inspiration ko. Sabi ko, itong tao to doesn't have any frills and anything in his body. So ang ginawa namin, talagang nilagay namin from the shoulders and the sleeves. So it's a subtle way para pag kinukunan siya ng litrato na close-up side, kita pa rin. But at the same time, when he turns his frontal na view, classic tuxedo yung makikita nila. The material that we used for Kong is a very special fabric. It's really jet black.
Elegant, classic, timeless. Tapos yung mga gusto ko nandito. So, iconic yung niya. So, perfect. Gusto niya na kung ano yung suot ko, hindi yung suot. Nag-agree naman ako doon. And, yun, sobrang ganda nung niya.
Siyempre nakakatuwa for kidlat. I always, natutuwa ako parati pag father and son. Kasi it's like the mini...
Nakita ko yung gown ni Miss Aramita. Sobrang gandang-ganda ko. At sabi ko, pag ako kinasal, kung sino yung designer ng gown niya, dapat doon ako magpagawa.
So yun yung gusto niya request niya talaga na she wants to have like a ball truss, the full sleeves, the personalized. So that's what I did for her. So it's more than $1 million personalized to this 25 kilos. Like 3 months to create the dress, and then 30 nakatao pa nagtatrabaho.
30?
Yes, 30 people, including me.
Sa totoo lang, naiiyak talaga ako. Nagulat ako, first time ko kasi siyang nasuot. Pero sobrang happy ko. And nung nandito kami, try ko siya. Sa dami ng bato nun, hindi ko na alam kung di pa siya maiyak at saka masilaw. Kung hindi siya masilaw-silaw doon, ayaw ko na kung ano pang kulang. Pag di umiyak, sipot ko na. Hindi umiyak. Balik.
Women, Philippines and around the world, so if you want to have like a couture masterpiece for your wedding, because weddings happens once in a lifetime, be free to contact me on my Instagram. That's at Leo Aludal, and my website is www.aludal.com.
pagmamahal, di ba? Ang tunay na pagmamahal. Oh.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Thank you.
Siyempre kami.
Kami na yung perfect combination.
Thank you so
Gatas at kape.
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Pocknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!